Mzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala wamzitho, it's about uKelly Khumalo. So uKelly Khumalo, I think she is ready ukusebenzisa isiphiwo sakhe because allegedly guys, uKelly Khumalo, she's a traditional healer. Vele she has been posting agcoka izinto zobungoma, but I thought mina mhlambe ilabantu ababoniswayo, but no, uvulile indawo yakhe we azocleanse abantu, ubhale cleansing, spiritual bath, waterfall, river and ocean. That means uma ufuna ukuyogezwa emfuleni or une-cleansing yana okumele uyenze, ungathintana noKelly Khumalo if you are interested. And ubhale ukuthi connecting with the higher power through meditation, mountain prayer, and cave visit. So that means izabe unkhapha lapho. Then the name of isigodlo sakhe la divine healing, guys. So Kelly Khumalo, if when you feel as if you have problems and you are looking for something, I think you should go to Kelly Khumalo divine healing, guys. I don't know how do I feel about this thing, and I do know a lot of South Africans bazoyithatha ngenye indlela. Do I think Kelly Khumalo is really gifted? I don't think ukuthi indawo yethu, and one will never know. I mean, like, I'm not a traditional healer. I'm not nje angiboni kwa andiboni ngigilwa nje lo nto ibhekile namself. So I don't think I'm one person who can say umuntu gifted or not, but all I can say now is just if she's really gifted and she really want to help abantu, why not? And if that is the gift God and the ancestors gave her, angiboni mina into wrong ukuthi asiza abantu, guys, and angibona into wrong ukuthi abantu baye kuyo. But on that post, guys, a lot of people, they were asking ukuthi what happened to Senzo. We know that uKelly won't post anything abantu bangambuzi ngesenzo. uKelly won't post anything abantu bangambuzi ngosenzo, because obvious usenzo washonela kibo. Abantu, they do want answers, and I don't know mina why uKelly angakatholi i-chance ukuthi aye court, then abuzwe court ukuthi what really happened that day, because at this point I don't think we'll ever get answers from case Senzo Meyiwa. I don't think, because it has been for I mean, Senzo died 2014, if I'm not 2014, 2015. So that means Senzo una more than 10 years or so. Ashonile akaboshwa umuntu ewani abakabuzwa ama-witness, like the only witness amakustand ecourt is uTumelo, which is i-friend kaSenzo. But umama kaKelly akakabuzwa, uKelly akakabuzwa, usister kaKelly ushisa uZandile Khumalo akakabuzwa ukuthi you know what really happened that day. And I think ukuthi yonke into ozoyenzakala or everything that uKelly will post, abantu bazobuza ukuthi hayibo girl ithini into kaSenzo to. And it's not the first time ngizwa kuthiwa uKelly has a calling, guys. I remember ngibukela, I think it's Senzo's documentary or something. There's this traditional healer also, Maskandi Music. That guy said uKelly unedlozi and uKelly yaboniswa, hence mhlambe yena bukhona la bekafuna ukuthi ngoba engathi unengoma noKelly, khona la bekafuna ukuthi athandane noKelly, but wabona ubungozi bedlozi la kaKelly, and he saw ipower idlozi lakhe. That means alifuni ukuthi uKelly akwate mhlambe. That is why usenza what happened, but I'm not saying that is why, guys. But ke bazala bami, so please do comment down below ukuthi wena ungayikohlola kuKelly or not, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.